Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So yesterday we rolled here, didn't we? We lost this trend line and we ran into its resistance, and then we're coming back down again. We had an enormous wick here, and we've not quite met the technical target at the moment of this breakdown. Okay, so you've lost that neckline just there of a rounded top pattern, and that would be the technical target that you're in right now. But you can see you ran shy of it. Where you did find support though, in this retracement from this high. Okay, so this is impulsive move like this, and now you start to roll and you began to retrace to this low. You can see where you found support on the 702 fib down there at 18766. So you could say, okay, well, this correction's in, this is impulsive, this is corrective, and your correction's in. You've got your A, you got your B, and then you got your C, like that, corrective wave back down to this low. And right now, if that holds, you could say that what we're looking at here is some kind of big wave 3. Okay, so what we do need to see within this wave 3 is impulsive moves to the upside and corrective moves to the downside. So right now, you could say, okay, the low's in, we're not necessarily going to meet them targets. So if that is the case, that is a very key level right now that we need to keep an eye on for Bitcoin, because if we do start to see that particular level lost, that's going to be very bearish for Bitcoin going forward. I'm going to show you why, because potentially what we've got here is an impulsive move and corrective move as I speak. Okay, so this is an impulsive break, potential wave 1, and right now this is a wave 2 correction coming back down to this low. So this is impulsive and this is corrective coming back down. So this is some kind of ABC on the hourly time frame. Let me show you what I'm looking at right now. So okay, so potentially what I'm saying, that the C leg just there, your wave 2 correction is in. But for this to be valid right now, we have to start to break up. Okay, we have to break up and break this B high. That's your key level resistance, because what I'm looking at right now, this is the bullish count. I'm going to show you the bullish count and the bearish count. I'll do everything I can in a channel. So one thing we're looking at right now is impulsive, corrective, and then this is start of an impulsive wave, wave 3, where you're going to have another corrective wave 4 back down to this high, and then you're going to have another impulsive break, and then you're going to have a large ABC, and that's all impulsive and corrective, and that could potentially spell a 1 and a 2 on the larger time frames just there for Bitcoin. Okay, now that's the bullish count, but what we do need to see is this follow through and this ABC off this potential low come in right now. So for example, let me show you right now in this wave here, you can have subsets of waves, so something like this. Okay, so right now you could say, okay, well, this is a 1, this is a 2, an ABC correction 2, and right now if you start to break up again, you're going to break that high and you're going to be an impulsive wave target up here, then you have a 4, then you have your 5, and that will start to be the wave 3. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I'm going to try and show you the target. If this is the low right now, I'm going to show you, but if this is the low and we break up, you're looking at least a minimal wave 3, which is subsets of waves within this larger wave 3, which would be a minimal 22188. And you can see, like I said to you, if you do start to do that and move up impulsively off this low right now, you could say, okay, well, this is the 1, this is a 2, it's come in, it's held, and right now you're looking to break impulsively, and this would be part of the third wave, which would be extremely bullish scenario for Bitcoin going forward, providing that whenever we retrace to this low, it holds. And that's all it's about going forward. This low is your low, it's your correction low, basically. It's your low, it has to hold, otherwise everything's invalidated. You understand? And this is why this is so crucial that this low holds at 17,593, because if it don't, all of this and potential doing something like this is out the window. Do you understand? Because what happened there, you've come up in an A, a B, a C, you've corrected to the high, and this is basically an ABC correction of a downtrend, and you're looking for the continuation. And what this is right now is a potential 1. This is a corrective wave 2 coming back up to this high, which is 1, and then you're looking for a third wave dump, which would see you lose that low that we're putting in June. Okay, and that's the bearish count, like I said to you. So you know, it's really important that that low holds going forward, because the bullish count is this 1, 2, like that, and then you're looking at its third wave up there. So you know, that's what we all want. We all want it to keep going up, don't we? You know, because it's easier to make money on the way up, isn't it? And especially if you're holding or you're in spot or whatever. Now a lot of coins, you know, have come down to that ABC zigzag low at this point as well. So you know, there is a big massive tick that was your low, and all we're doing is coming up and retracing, and we're looking to move back up the stairs. So you know, I wish everyone in the uploads look here, and I wish I could tell you conclusively, okay, that's your wave 2 correction over, you're putting in some kind of ABC here, and you're looking to break bullish. But if you do, fantastic. Okay, big thumbs up. So what I'm going to do is zoom in a little bit, and I'll show you some fib targets that I'm kind of targeting at the moment. If this low holds, this is some kind of ABC of wave 2 like this. Look, so you come up impulsively, this is a corrective wave back down to this low. So here you've got some kind of A, B, C correction, an ABC zigzag, potential wave 2, and right now if you can hold this low and you start to come up impulsively, like I said to you, the third wave is the most powerful. So you could, I'm going to go through these levels in a moment, but you could be looking at a bare minimal 22186. So from this low right now, if it holds, you're looking at a 15% pump, but the wave 3 does like to get a little bit overextended, so you could see a mega pump up to 23025 for Bitcoin, and that would be the bullish case. So let's have a look at this retracement that you're potentially going through right now. So you can see a bit of confluence here is the fact that you got the low, you broke out and you retraced the 702 fib. That's always quite a nice level, nominal level, okay? And you know, with that you could say our target of this rounded top is going to be invalidated and we're not necessarily going to go to it. So that's the bullish case. So like I said to you, let's have a look at the fib retracement levels that we're going through right now of this potential ABC. So from there all the way down, you can see that we're bouncing off the 1618 just there. So that is always the minimal target of an ABC, because that's your high, that's your low, and you're putting a reversal wave and impulsive move down. So basically, look, this is your wave 1 high, this is your A, this is your B, and this is your C. Now right now, if this holds, okay, this low holds, and especially this low as well, because I'm going to show you retracement levels, then potentially you're looking at a big breakout here for Bitcoin over the next couple of weeks, okay? When everyone's really, really bearish, and all you've done is created a low and a higher low. And that's bullish price action going forward, okay? And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for the 5 impulsive moves up and 3 corrective waves back down, okay, for Bitcoin. So that would be really bullish. Right now, I said to you, look at your retracement levels. So just here, again, anything can go sour. It can go the other way. So what we've done here, if I show you this level right now, let me delete that larger fib. You can say, okay, we've found support on the 786. So basically what we've done, this is your low of wave 2, potentially, the ABC correction. And right now, you broke impulsively. And this is quite a large impulsive break, and that's what you do usually see in third waves. Okay, so this is quite a first violent move, basically. Now, if we're putting this ABC correction down here, what we've done, we've retraced all the way to the 786, which is always a fantastic level of retracement, okay? So if we can hold that right now and start to come back upstairs, and we take out this high up here at 20888, that's going to be an amazing signal right there for Bitcoin. So, you know, just sit on the sidelines, wait. That's your key level of support. That's your key level of resistance right now to determine whether or not you're looking at a major dump or a major pump. It really is that simple. It's a game of Fibonacci. Now, right now, the bearish case, like I said to you, that if this is an impulsive wave 1, and right now you've put in some kind of ABC correction, you're going to start to come up like this, and then you roll again, you will be looking at a retest and coming back down to this low and sweeping it, and you've got 2 fib down there on that white line at 16,595, and that would be the bearish case going forward, that this is an impulsive move down, this is a corrective move up, and you're looking at continuation, and these will be your minimal targets that I went through with you yesterday. Okay, so you know, you said crypto is boring. Key resistance, key support, you know, on a larger time frame. Shorter time frame, like the hourly, that's your key resistance, and that's your key support right there. Your key resistance on the hourly is 20888, and the key support right there, if you do start to see Bitcoin come down and lose that, you're negating that this is your wave 2 correction over, okay, and your potential A, B, C leg like that, ABC expanded flat correction coming down to there before you break up to the upside. So that is 18618. So if you do start to see Bitcoin come down any deeper here and lose that, then yeah, you've got a reversal wave and you're going to start to come down to these targets down here for Bitcoin, and you're potentially sweeping that low right there for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's basically Bitcoin. I hope you understand that update. Okay, and like, I wish I could tell you with a 100% certainty you're going to do this, you're going to do that, but you can't. Like I said to you in a minute, you're very, very range bound here in this sort of consolidation event right now. But what you've done here is bullish. I mean, this is corrective, and if you hold that low, wow, it could be really nice going forward. Okay, so it's all about this low at the moment that you're putting down there at 18618 for Bitcoin. Take care, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.